What if skipping a launch was actually the smartest move GoPro has made in years? For the first time in a decade, there was no new GoPro Hero camera, and that silence made a lot of people nervous. Was the Hero line done, or was something bigger cooking behind the scenes? Today, we are breaking down the GoPro Hero 14 Black rumors, the expected launch timeline, and the upgrades that could finally deliver everything users have been asking for. Stick around, because this might be the most important Hero update in a long time. You know what's funny? Everyone panicked when GoPro skipped a release, but GoPro never said the Hero line was dead. In fact, the company doubled down on the idea that the Hero 13 Black is still one of the most capable action cameras on the market. Instead of rushing out another minor refresh, GoPro appears to have taken an extra year to rethink the formula. That matters because the biggest criticism lately has not been about durability or stabilization. It has been about meaningful innovation. The Hero 14 Black looks like GoPro's attempt to reset expectations and deliver upgrades that actually feel earned. On the outside, do not expect a radical redesign. GoPro is expected to stick with its proven square body, rugged construction, and front and rear displays. That design works, and changing it too much would break compatibility with existing mounts and accessories. The big visual change, though, could be a larger rear display compared to the Hero 13. That is great for framing and playback, but it also raises an interesting question. Does a bigger screen make the camera more fragile? GoPro will likely reinforce the body to compensate, but it is something worth watching. The goal seems to be better usability without sacrificing the toughness the brand is known for. Now, here's where the rumors get spicy. GoPro has been using 5.3K resolution since the Hero 10, and while it still looks great, it has started to feel stagnant. The Hero 14 Black is rumored to jump to 8K at up to 30 frames per second and 6K at up to 120 frames per second. Even more important than resolution is the expected move to a 1-inch sensor. This would be a massive upgrade. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner footage overall. For years, GoPro has squeezed impressive results out of smaller sensors. Giving it a larger one could change the game, especially for night rides, indoor action, and moody cinematic shots. To make all of this possible, GoPro is expected to introduce a new GP3 processor. This chip is rumored to be more power efficient and better at handling heat. Overheating has been a pain point, especially at higher resolutions and frame rates. A redesigned metal internal structure is also expected to help dissipate heat faster, allowing for longer recording sessions without shutdowns. Stabilization is another area where GoPro refuses to sit still. The Hero 14 Black is rumored to feature HyperSmooth 7.0 with AI-assisted framing. Translation: even smoother footage with less effort from the user. You focus on the action, the camera handles the rest. Battery life is also expected to improve, with claims of up to 2.5 hours of 4K recording on a single charge. That's a big deal for long adventures and travel days. So when does all of this happen? If history is any indication, September is still the most likely launch window, and there's no strong reason to think GoPro will break that tradition. The real question is whether waiting is worth it. The Hero 13 Black is still an excellent camera and remains a solid buy today. But if these Hero 14 Black rumors hold true, this could be the biggest leap the Hero line has made in years. A larger sensor, higher resolutions, better heat management, smarter stabilization, and longer battery life all point to a camera that finally addresses long-standing user demands. So what do you think? Is 8K and a 1-inch sensor enough to make you wait, or are you happy grabbing a Hero 13 right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this breakdown helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest updates as more Hero 14 Black details start to surface.